In PG Medical 2025, all the PG aspirants had focus in MCC counseling, Karnataka State Counseling, Maharashtra State Counseling, Uttar Pradesh private colleges. But in this process, what they missed, that is one of the most opportunistic state for PG Medical. Why? Their fee is lowest fees in India, that is Andhra Pradesh. Yes, most of the student has overlooked this state, but it was a blunder for them. In Andhra Pradesh, all the private colleges clinical branch fees only 9,90,000. Yes. When a student rank 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, running behind Karnataka private college, deemed university, Uttar Pradesh private college, in this time, in Andhra Pradesh, student has got allotment in below 10 lakhs. Yes, I am talking about upper clinical branch. In Andhra Pradesh, round 1 allotment list has been published. I will tell you in Andhra Pradesh private colleges precisely which category student participate. That is called S1 category, means where the fee is below 10 lakhs. Apart from that, S2 category, S3 category, different categories there, institutional category, NRI categories there. But which category the student participate precisely, that is S1 category. Now, in this S1 category also bifurcated into S1A and S1B. S1A is for those students who don't have any background with Andhra Pradesh, like who have not a domicile of Andhra Pradesh, neither has done any MBBS from Andhra Pradesh, nothing. Who is an other state candidate, comes under S1A. And S1B is for the local category student from Andhra Pradesh local category. Now in Andhra Pradesh local also, there are many criteria is there. For that we have to go through the brochures. Now in Andhra Pradesh, they open the registration one time only for round 1 and round 2. You go through the allotment in round 1, both Andhra Pradesh student or outside Andhra Pradesh student. So you will get an idea what will be the prospect in round 2. Precisely, those students whose rank is above 25,000, 30,000, 40,000, even 50,000 also, you will be getting a seat in Andhra Pradesh if you follow the counseling round 2, round 3 also. Go through the allotment in S1A and S12. I'll tell you, MD Radiology 11,404, Maharaja Vijayanagaram, this rank. Below 10 lakhs fees. If you go to the deemed university in this rank, the student who has got the fees more than 25 lakhs per annum. But here you have got below 10 lakhs. Yes, S1B, which is the Andhra Pradesh domicile candidate, 21,522. See the advantage. Andhra Pradesh local student has got Maharaja Vijayanagaram, 21,522. Almost, I can tell you, 27 lakhs in 3 years fees. MD Dermatology S1A, no seats is there. See, Andhra Pradesh, whatever seat is there in different colleges, it will be bifurcated into different category. Like it will be in S1, S2, S3. Okay, different category, and also there will be having some seat in the competent quota also. So that is the reason in Dharma there is no seat is there in S1A, but S1B, which seat is there in Gayatri Vihar Medical College, 22,984. Student even cannot expect in this rank MD Dharma they can get any college in India below 10 lakhs. General Medicine 14,173 in Maharaja. 14,173 in deemed university, 100% the fee will be above 30 lakhs. Okay, here if the student has got open category, student has got below 10 lakhs, 22,523. It is Vishwavarti Medical College. OBG 17,281. GSL Medical College. GSL Rajmundry is a very good college. Student has got 17,281 and S1B 28,069 in Maharaja Medical College. Pediatrics 15,441 GSL Medical College, 26,838 in Maharaja Medical College. Orthopedics 24,619 GSL Medical College and 48,515 in Vishwavarti Medical College. See, I was talking about this. In orthopedics, 24,619. In this rank, the student will not get orthopedics in anywhere in India in this fees for sure. Below 10 lakhs, you will not get. I mean, and if you see the combination of everything, GSL is a very good college. In GSL Medical College, there are super specialty branch also is there. So you can understand how good this the college is. So the student who has got allotment in this ranks, definitely the student had knowledge about the counseling. So that is the reason I used to tell the candidate, in PG counseling process, you should know properly first which all stage you should participate for the counseling, because once the round 1 is over, the student has taken admission, then the seat has gone. Simultaneously, once the round 2 is over, it is gone. So that is the reason the counseling process, knowledge, strategy and decision making is very important, and that has been done in this cases. 24,619 ranked All India candidate has got GSL Medical College. Fee is very low. 48,515. It is in Vishwavarti Medical College. Nothing to say. In this rank, you will not get in this fees in any other colleges. General surgery, same in general surgery, 23,954 GSL Medical College. I mean, I can tell you, see, if this candidate would have got in other college, then there could be questions that, okay, how is the college, the rank, the student has got general surgery, but there is no questions at all regarding the GSL, only regarding the standard of college, for sure I can tell you. To 39,173 Maharaja Medical College. Yes, Maharaja, Gayatri Vihara, Vishwavarati, there could be having questions regarding these colleges in terms of the infrastructure, facility, patient flow, surgical exposure, all these things. Next, I can tell you respiratory medicine. Yes, even respiratory medicine in S1A quota seat is not there, but in S1B 36,072 is the cutoff in Maharaja Medical College. Ophthalmology seat is not there in S1A, 41,571, same in Maharaja Medical College. ENT also S1A seat is not there, 46,639 it is in Santiram Medical College. Psychiatry also seat is not there, 58,501 is the Vishwavarti Medical College. Anesthesia 31,284, it is Santiram Medical College, and this is same in the 49,553. What is the conclusion here for Andhra Pradesh cutoff? From the Andhra Pradesh cutoff, yes. All the I can tell you all the rank where the allotment has happened, starting from radiology to anesthesia, those students would not have got any college lesser than this fees in anywhere in India, including Karnataka, including Maharashtra, including Uttar Pradesh, Deemed University, Haryana, whatever states the student would have applied. In counseling process, proper knowledge is very, very important. If you don't have the knowledge about the fees, about the counseling strategy, eligibility, cutoff analysis, and different other aspects also, definitely your return on investment will not be proper. Return on investment means what I am talking about. If a student of 24,619 is completing MS Ortho from GSL by 27 lakhs in 3 years, what is his return on investment? And if the 25,000 rank student is completing MS Ortho from a deemed university where the per year fees is 25 lakh, that means 75 lakhs, definitely return of investment will be better for this candidate. That is the reason counseling guidance is very, very important if you are not aware about each and everything. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. We'll be replying each and every query of yours from the comment section. Certainly call in the number if you are looking for paid counseling services. You can WhatsApp your rank, your required specializations, and if you query in the WhatsApp if you are looking for paid counseling services. Our YouTube channel will keep updating you cutoff and different other informations in entire PG counseling sessions. If you have not yet subscribed, you subscribe this channel, click on the bell icon. So whenever we will be uploading any video, immediately we will be giving the notification. Apart from every state cutoff, I will also make cutoff for Andhra Pradesh round 2, round 3, each and every state. Thank you so much.